I'm getting.
Okay, wait. Okay, so today.
I look totally crazy, guys.
Today, what's today's date?
I don't know. The 18th, 17th?
Well,
at least I have a cute cat.
All right.
I will tell you this. This is my neighbor Julia. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
So I had a little fashion faux pas. My zipper broke. As you can see, I was about to walk to the village in this beautiful duct tape belt.
All right.
But my neighbor is going to save me and let me borrow a shell.
I'm absolutely kidding with you.
Oh my.
That's pretty legit. It's supposed to be cold.
So that's my shovel.
Yes, I know. It's easy.
Fine.
Listen, I did mean to bring it in, but you see, like I'm in the middle of everything.
Oh my God.
Wow.
You guys be safe.
All right. All right.
No, honey. Oh my God.
Fourth trip up to Snowshoe. And this is what it looks like leaving the parking lot.
Well, wardrobe malfunction.
Yeah, always an adventure with us. So let's start with
Last night.
So no, let's go back. So the trip starts like Kim got new skis. I can't see where we are now. But anyways, Kim got new skis, powder skis for out west and for days that are powdery. I said, don't bring the powder skis because then it won't snow.
You're not going to need them.
You're not going to need them. Well,
8 inches later.
I was wrong. So
Whatever, it's fine.
so
1 to 5 underweight.
dumping
95,
snow.
who cares?
Dumping snow, and so on the way up, there's not much cell service in West Virginia coming to Snowshoe, and I get
Shout out to Green Bank.
I get this panic call. I pick it up because I'm going through one little section where I get reception, and all I hear is, "Mike, I can't get up!" And I'm thinking, holy shit!
What's going on?
I hear this panicked voice, and Kim says, "This rental truck that I have, I can't. It's terrible."
A Ford Explorer. By the way, hashtag Ford Explorer, you suck.
No,
Yes.
my Ford works great.
Okay, the Ford Explorer literally was sliding off the road.
So anyways, I haven't looked at the tires, probably ball tires. But anyways, so all I hear, and this guy says, "I can," and that's all I hear, and I'm stuck out there waiting. So anyways, Kim managed to get to the cabin.
No, this Good Samaritan.
Well, guy
tries
drove
my car, floors it, was sideways going up the mountain, freaking out, but he got me here.
So anyway, she got here. I called in Marlington and got her stuff. She said I'm there. I said, okay, good. Kept coming up. Road conditions changed in a second. Went from like just wet to like totally white out. Star Wars driving with big gigantic snowflakes. So anyways, so we get there this morning. Wake up. We're rope drop.
And then I said, no, we're gonna Belgian waffle it.
Belgian waffled it.
Oh, so nice.
Took a little time. And then, so we finally get ready to go skiing. And she rips the zipper off her coat. So now we're like, okay, now we gotta go to the village to get a coat. Well, the neighbor walks out and says, hey, I got a shell you can borrow. So we're borrowing a shell. So anyway, so now we're trying to get down to the slopes to finally get on the snow. And we will check in here in a little while.
The adventures of KJ.
Always an adventure. So anyways, here's what it looks like.
Walking in a winter wonderland. It is forever wild and wonderful.
So, all right, we'll check in a little while. Whoop. I'm not a huge Jeep fan, but this one is super cool. All right, almost to the top of Ball Hooter. I gotta catch up with Kim. She's over there. Where'd she go? Just saw her. There she is. Yeah, right?
We need to fill in some of the dust on crusty.
Yeah.
And hold on, the fires right there. You gotta get these.
Just a quick ride, first snow or chairlift ride, and check this out.
Oh my God! It usually comes off.
Electric gloves.
How much does those run you?
A lot, but you know what?
Those look so sick. Yeah.
So,
It's absolutely gorgeous out. So I'm
I'm
gonna
telling
shoot a
you,
little bit more raw,
so this
and then learn how to, if I see if I can edit
it totally
and
is. I have-
go back
actually,
to the
I
other
bought from last year,
regular version because
and
my
everyone-
battery's
I was
going.
from Boston, so they go like, oh my God.
Anyways,
'Cause, like, I got
check it out a little bit
fun
more.
riding the bike once.
Yeah.
Like we ride bikes.
So heading out for day 2 with the neighbor. It's beautiful out here, Bluebird Day. And we're gonna go see how the snow is. Wasn't great yesterday, but we'll find out. But look at this.
I never thought I could shake this heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you. And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good.